Looking for a slow cooker without spending a fortune? Well, I do all the research so you don't have to. Here are the 5 best slow cookers under $200, ranked. Coming in at number 5, we have the Crockpot 7-quart manual, priced at just $45. This slow cooker is a fantastic budget option, offering a huge 7-quart capacity and a dead simple dial for high, low, and warm settings. The only real downside is that it's manual only, so no timer here. Our number 4 pick is the Hamilton Beach 6-quart programmable, a steal at $70. You can program this 6-quart digital slow cooker for up to 26 hours, then walk away, knowing it'll automatically keep your food warm when it's done. While it's not the biggest, its clip-tight gasket lid makes spill-free travel a breeze. At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach 10-quart XL, available for $80. This enormous 10-quart slow cooker can handle a full-size roast or 2 whole chickens, making it perfect for big batches and feeding a crowd. Its clip-tight lid also makes transport super easy, though it is quite big to store. Our number 2 spot goes to the Chef IQ Smart Cooker, priced at $160. This smart slow cooker lets you control it right from your phone over Wi-Fi, guiding you through recipes and letting you adjust the temperature and time from the app. Just be prepared for a bit of app setup, and it is our priciest pick. And our top pick, at number 1, is the Crockpot 6-quart programmable, coming in at $90. This trusted original crockpot features a digital countdown timer that switches to auto keep warm and a locking cook and carry lid for potlucks. While not the cheapest, it offers fantastic reliability and convenience. So there you have it, our top 5 slow cookers under $200. The Crockpot 6-quart programmable takes our top spot for its trusted brand and convenient features. Links to all 5 are in the description. Thanks for watching.